is back once again. It's been a short while. I was kind of taking the weekend to myself, as you guys already know, and today we're going to be doing some more reaction shots. So get hype, everybody. We are going to check in with you guys. It's kind of interesting. I had a few videos that I posted over the weekend that were premiering automatically, so I didn't have to like watch them or anything. And it's really nice to see that a couple of them have been popping off. And of course, I'm trying to get new content, but prosecutors won't let me. I had a cop in the wind. I had another one settle. So it's I mean, nothing to really complain about per se, but that just means I don't have any YouTube content for you guys other than recycling the good old stuff that I have, which some of it again is still very, very fun to watch, especially when it's provided in like these little nuggets of information rather than watching an entire video for an hour and a half from start to finish. It's really nice to have like a nice little 60-second segment, which I also post on TikTok. Hi Rebecca, hi Kevin, hi Apex, News Now, Lipsia, hi Dr. Gia. Apex has been flooding me with nice videos. I think I'm up to like 40 almost. It's insane. I have like 40 videos in my arsenal. I don't know how am I going to get through all of them, but hey, the whole point is to keep this thing going as long as we possibly can. And the beauty of this is we never run out of material because people get arrested every single day. So it's not like the law topics, which I kind of ran out of. Thanks, Teeks Mills. He says, better call the DUI guy. Watching from Canada, says Rebecca. Desert Goat. Did I ever look at the video of the arrest? I don't know, man. I have too many. How did the trial go last Wednesday? We won. Dismissal, Kevin. It was dismissed. Cop no-showed and resigned the department just a few days prior, apparently. Hey, Mad Moolah. Mad Moolah, I feel like you don't work every time I'm in. How are you paying your legal fees? Every time I'm in here, like you're in there, and like, do you have a job? I'm just messing with you, man. I got your email. I will be checking that out in due course. But anyway, today we have a couple of fun videos lined up for you. I can't be here for too long. I got to get back to work, or I'm sorry, I have to get back to playing on YouTube. I think, right? Is that what that one troll said? I have to get back to playing on YouTube. So let me do this YouTube thing so I can get back to my YouTube stuff. So yeah. Without further ado, let's see if we can get this going. Is this full size? Oh, wait, let me minimize myself first. Here we go. There we go. And so this one is... Oh, Desert Goat. Wait a second. I think this is yours. This is yours. Actually, this is your video. I kind of bumped it up just because I think I saw you're a viewer or something like that. I don't remember. So let's watch. This one is called Tyrant Alert. Desert Goat arrested by San Antonio police. First Amendment test failed. That's what it's called. Let's watch.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mexican Padilla. March 8th, it was a Sunday. We were cop watching. We heard the police officers get a little rough with people in this area, the south side of San Antonio. So we decided to go patrol the area as good citizens as we are. So this is what happened. Tell me what you see, because I don't see a crime being committed. I just see excessive force being used. You tell me in the comment section what you see.
The sound disappeared. Oh. He's saying no crime is being committed.
This is actually a gimbal.
Let me stop right there. First off, you're an outsider looking in. You have no idea what's going on. Please don't tell me you're one of those sovereign citizens who's like, well, it's just a traffic stop. There's no victim, blah, blah, blah. We don't go for that stuff on this channel. If you don't like it, feel free to leave right now. But what we do go for is, I mean, there could be an allegation of bad driving that might be under the influence. There may be a possession of marijuana. They stopped the vehicle for expired tags, which is a traffic offense in all 50 states, and they found something. I mean, obviously, they're searching the car. Maybe they got consent. Maybe there's a constitutional violation occurring. We don't know anything. We're outsiders looking in. So, by you saying, I don't see any crime being committed, that is a very, very misleading statement because you have no idea what's going on, and you have no right to make that judgment call. At least at this juncture.
Y'all work for someone or?
We're just YouTubers.
Just hanging out?
Just YouTubers, yes sir. You can look up Mexican Padilla, you'll see what we do.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
How you doing tonight?
Good. Just filming.
Cool. Yeah.
Staying, keeping up distance till we...
No, yeah, y'all are good. They were all, tell them to stop filming. I said, they can film if they want.
Oh, yes sir, that's good.
That's a good guy. That's a smart guy.
And a shout out to Texas Sheepdog 72 for paying Desert Gold's bond.
It's a short video. It's about 3 minutes long, 3.5 minutes long. Hey, Mark Stevens. Hey, Justin. Just caught up on the Lawyer React series. Have you watched all of them? You're not a true fan if you haven't seen every single one from beginning to end. I'm just kidding. Or am I? I'm not sure. This is a very confusing video. It's titled Tyrant Alert. Whoa. Whoa. What is happening? Why is the video going... What? Yep. Wait a second. Okay, let me go back. Was that person just recording or something? What? Oh. Okay, they were just walking by with a camera and he's being taken to the ground. That's where it was. Okay, so it's at the very end. Oh wow. Okay, that's a lawsuit if I've ever seen one. That's a lawsuit. Yep. Now, our good friend, the one recording here, didn't get in trouble. It's the other person. That's where the First Amendment test failed. But we don't know. I can't hear anything, so I don't know what happened over there. But looks bad. This next one is called Kidnapped Again. It's a little bit longer. It's 28 minutes. We're gonna review. Hey, morning, Lackluster. Lackluster's in the chat. Everybody say hi to Lackluster. This looks like body cam footage, I think, or camera footage from...
I think there's a way out to my left, and it looks like it's kind of a driveway, but this is a church.
It's very quiet. I can barely hear it.
Oh, I'm gonna get my key out of my pocket. No, just wait.
Hey, Catalin. Hey, Brett. Hey, Jeff.
So what's going on? Well, I mean, what's going on? What's going on?
I need you to identify yourself. I think you're back here on private property.
Okay, for what's the reason have a lawful reason for the stop? Do you have a reasonable articulable suspicion?
Oh, this is going to be interesting.
What crime do you suspect us of committing?
Your IDs now.
Do you suspect that there's a crime being committed?
Do you want to keep this window? Yes or no? Because I'm about to bust it out if you don't start giving me some ID.
Oh.
Okay, we're recording this. Hold on.
Why are you being so violent? I need a supervisor.
He's about to bust the window.
Supervisor, please.
I need your supervisor, please. I need your supervisor. I'm very scared of you.
I am the supervisor?
Over you?
No, not right now. There is not. No.
Oh my God.
Okay, can we get a sheriff out here, please?
I need a sheriff.
No, you don't need a sheriff. You're in the town.
Right. The sheriff has jurisdiction here, too.
Uh-oh. Things are about to go bad. I can sense it. This guy has it out for him.
Give me your IDs. Roll down the window now.
Uh-oh.
What is the reason?
I'm about to bust your window out. Give me your
Okay,
IDs.
that's illegal.
Okay, that's the second warning.
Give me your IDs now.
What is the reason?
The cop, actually,
you're-
I think the cop is scared of, busting that window. He's given them 2 warnings now. If he was really going to do it, he would have done it by now.
asking for the ID.
You got about 2 seconds.
Okay, that's 3rd warning. It's about to happen.
Can you tell us the reason?
I'm afraid to
Nope,
put
here it comes.
I'm afraid to put my hand down. Listen, I'm afraid to put my hand down because I don't want you to say that I'm.
Roll the window down. That's all.
The window's
It's-
the window's cracked.
You can put your hand down there and roll the window down.
You can hear us, right?
I'm really scared of you.
The cop is scared. He wants to, but he's scared.
We're afraid of you.
You're gonna be real afraid. I'm gonna bust
I'm already in.
Okay, this guy needs to pick a side. Are you breaking it, or are you just going to talk about breaking it?
who you are. You're private property back here. Give me your ID.
Can you tell me what crime you suspect us of?
They're going in circles.
It's cold out. It's cold. Please don't smash the window.
Please don't smash my window. I don't want to reach
Please
down.
stop. Please stop. What do you need?
What do you need?
Are you?
Can you
help
help?
us?
Can you
Help
stop?
me, please.
What is going on?
Please, there's another somebody on your right. Should I tell him you can't see?
Yeah.
He's blind.
Roll the window
I
down.
want to help.
Sit down.
She's shaking.
Yeah, I'm just
Just a
gonna
second.
get involved.
Can I give you my? I'll show you my ID. Please don't break.
Now.
I don't have one.
I'm gonna get my ID out. I'm getting my ID. It's in my back pocket. It's in my pocket. It's in my pocket.
Okay, either this cop has like the patience of a nun, or he's like the most scaredy cat cop I've ever met. Like, come on, dude. You threatened to break the window like 500 times by now, and it's been 3 minutes. Just pick a side. Do you really think those threats are going? They're making you look worse, because I don't know. It appears you don't know what you're doing. Like, pick a side. If you're gonna break it, then break it. If you're not gonna break it, then don't threaten it. You know, you can't have it both ways. He just thought that if he threatens, they're gonna immediately comply, and when they didn't, he was stuck between a rock and a hard place.
It's in my pocket.
Get your ID out, sir.
I don't have one. I'm blind. I don't have a driver's
Why do you
license.
have a driver's license?
You ain't got an ID at all.
No. I'd rather not hand it to you. I will show you my ID. Come on, man.
Give me the ID.
He's threatening to hurt you, so just do
Here.
what he says.
Goddamn ID. I am terrified of you right now. Can you please step back?
He does not have an ID at all. Do it.
Why would you have an ID?
No, there's no law that requires him to put the window all the way down.
No.
And nowhere in the country I've ever heard of such a law.
Please remain silent.
I'm going to choose to remain silent. I'm going to not talk to you anymore.
Alright. You're getting out of the vehicle now.
We're afraid. Can we get the sheriff out here, please?
No, you can't
Well,
have
you can call the sheriff. Put him on speaker.
How do I call the sheriff?
Just tell your phone to call whatever Rockingham County Sheriff's Office. Ask him to come
Call
out.
Rockingham County Sheriff's Department. Oh, please, Siri.
Alright. Roll the window down.
Rockingham.
Roll the window down.
you want the window open, sir?
Get out. Let's go off. Get out, car.
Why do you want to shut the car?
Give me more chances.
But I gave you my ID.
I'm gonna take you out of the car.
I'm calling this the sheriff.
Why? We don't. Yeah. Let's get the sheriff on the phone because we don't feel safe with you here.
Hi, is this the sheriff's department? I need help.
We're in Madison, in the town of Madison. We have people that are threatening to smash our window. They're
Feel free to
saying
send me
they're
more of
police,
these
but they're not
videos,
telling
by
us
the way.
There's a crime. They're threatening to throw us out of the car.
Do you know where you are?
You know what the address is here?
Mitchell, I watch
Run for the sheriff's office.
Addresses?
all types of encounters, not just DUIs. This is not, I don't think this is a DUI, and I've done some traffic offenses
We
already.
need a supervisor here because what you're doing is illegal, sir. What you're doing is illegal. Yes,
I'm
it is.
behind Madison United Methodist Church in Madison.
That noise, what is that noise? Is he actually like hitting the window, or is that just like in the camera?
Please help me. He's threatening to smash
No,
my
no, he's
window.
not.
Please
No, he's
help
not
me.
hitting anything. It's just the camera. A little bit of column A, a little bit of column E, Brownie. Ace Grand, email me. Don't ask it in chat. I will not answer it.
I'm in a van.
That noise is just really annoying.
Can you tell us why you want us to let the door open?
Cut the car. Open the door.
Is it a uniformed officer?
He looks like a uniform, but he's being really mean.
Open.
Uniformed officer. What's the name of the church?
Okay, I hate to call an officer of the law out like this, but I'm sorry, this guy is a coward. Like, he's just standing outside. You're an officer of the law. Look, if you want to get somebody out, you're going to get them out. But you can't have it both ways. If you're going to break the window and get them out, break the window, violate their constitutional rights, open the door, and maybe you'll even get away with it, especially if you had a justifiable reason to get them out. However, you standing there aggravating and bullying them, saying get out, 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 or else, get out 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 or else. That just makes you look horrific as an officer of the law. It's like you're arguing with a 3-year-old child. Give me the candy. No. Give me the candy. No. Give me the candy. No. Give me the candy or I'm going to take it away from you. Go ahead. Give me the candy. No. Give me the... I mean, you see, this is absolute just despicable behavior. I don't like it at all. He's terrorizing them. I mean, I understand the woman. I mean, at this point, I, as a total bystander, I would go, is this guy even a real cop? I'm skeptical now. I don't know. He's wearing the uniform. We all know that there are fake cops out there who pretend to be police officers and they're not. I mean, he's got to figure it out. He's got to pick a side. You can't sit on both chairs. You can't both threaten them to get out of the car and then not make them get out of the car. And if he's scared of a lawsuit, then don't say get out of the car. You know, get backup out there. If you can't get backup out there, and if you say you're your own supervisor, now I 100% have doubts that you're a real cop. I would almost borderline maybe want to drive away because I'm about to get robbed by some schmuck pretending to be a cop wearing a uniform. I'm dead serious. This is 7 minutes almost into the interaction. I would be scared that this guy has a gun and he's about to rob me of my money and maybe even kill me. Just because he's a psychopath who doesn't know what anything else to do. You know, this is scary. This is not passing any smell test I have ever seen in a traffic stop. You know, even the ones, remember the one that the military guy that was pepper sprayed. Those guys at least lived up to their word. They say get out or we're gonna like get you the fuck out of the car, and they did. even though they completely violated him, it was despicable. Honestly, I would rather have that, believe it or not, than this. This right here is just abhorrent behavior. I'm pointing at my own screen. I should be pointing at the video. This right here is disgusting. This is absolutely disgusting. He's just bullying them. He's like that bully in high school who's like, give me your lunch money. No, give me your lunch money. No, give me your lunch money. No, leave me alone. No, give me your lunch money. And it's like, and he just keeps going on and on and on and on. Dude, just either you're going to take my lunch money or leave me alone. Pick one. You can't have it both ways. Otherwise, you look like a demon who's just terrorizing somebody for no reason. Yeah, he just walked up, stopped. It was a traffic stop. He walked up and he's demanding ID, Rockchild. This is bizarre. Thanks, Jay Steele, for the $6.69 dono. You bought my coffee for tomorrow. Cheers.
Madison United Methodist.
He's threatening.
It's Madison United.
Thanks, Apex
Methodist
Law, for the $5 dono. He says, excellent job breaking down videos. Thank you. And Jay Steele said, I love your stuff. Thank you for your service. Thanks, man.
He hasn't stated any crime or reason for stopping. What's the crime? We were on the way out when
He's just arguing with them. He's making himself look so bad. He's making that badge look so ugly. Okay, all right, we have a second cop. Finally.
I'm not talking. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to
No,
this guy.
we're talking. You're trying to talk to them.
Stop! Please
Please don't smash our window.
Please don't!
Why?
Help! He's gonna break my window. Ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening to you, Sheriff's Department.
Roll your window down. Comply with your
We're afraid he's gonna hurt us. He's threatening violence. We don't feel safe.
Oh my God, Rambo. I'm not even going to say anything about that.
Can you step away and let anyone else talk to me?
Why do you want the window
Step
down?
back and let me talk to anybody else.
We're listening. We can hear you.
Thanks, Eileen.
We're afraid. We're afraid he's threatening violence. Because he's threatening to hurt our car, to destroy our property. We don't feel safe. Okay, fine. Yeah. Please stop. What are you doing? We do not consent to any searches or seizures of our property. For what? What crime? We're trying to leave. How is that trespassing? Please stop. Okay, just do. Yeah. They're threatening violence. Please don't touch me. I have PTSD. I have multiple brain injuries. I'm blind. Okay, do you have a disability coordinator, please?
I need somebody to help me communicate because I do not feel safe. She doesn't feel safe.
We have a cop in the chat.
That's why this is hard.
Etienne Bro.
You understand that?
He says, shoot him, shut him up. Get on that, chat.
The disabilities that we have been talking, you don't have to be in our car. We don't consent to any search.
If you're blind, how you know I'm in your car?
Because I can hear you.
I wasn't talking.
Unless you're talking about shooting the police, which, come on, that's despicable. Both ways.
What? What is going on? For what crime? How's that trespassing when we were leaving?
Oh, okay, so a very common question in the chat right now. What if you simply say you do not consent? That's your problem. You're going to lose on the street.
We were literally here. We were here playing Pokemon.
We're playing Pokemon.
Play Pokemon Go, probably? Oh my God.
How is that trespassing if we were leaving the property? Okay. And we're leaving. Can I get my phone, please? No. Why you over there? Come on. Okay. I'm gonna get my phone and close the door.
You're not grabbing anything out of the car, like I said. All the time video. Okay. You can report some to the computer like that. Close the door, please. I've got it.
I'm gonna skip forward a little bit because nothing's happening. It's all dark. I can't hear anything. You guys can't hear anything. I'm gonna keep going forward until we get to something. Is it all gonna be black from now on? Is that it? Is it, or is there more? I can't see anything. I can't hear anything. It's very quiet. And they're getting back in the car. Is that it? I guess that's it. Overall, disgusting. I mean, completely unnecessary. Everything that the cop did. I don't know. I hope it went well for them. But geez, Louise, like, leave them alone, man. Finally, they complied. The window would have gotten broken if not for their compliance. Again, can the cop do that? Maybe. Should he do that? Maybe not. I don't know. It's yeah, okay, this one's too long. I don't have time for this. This one, okay, we'll do one more. That one was a lot shorter than I expected. So let's go to this one. The message was, I noticed you're doing short videos now. Thought you might like this one. Hey, wrist disabled rider. I missed Mike being arrested. Who's Mike? Who's Mike? Wrist disabled rider. Thank you for the $5 dono. You bought my coffee for Wednesday. I noticed you're doing short videos now. Thought you might like this one. My town in traditional New Jersey fashion is corrupt. This is one of the ways that corruption displays. This was at a DWI checkpoint 2 years back. Open records request was done. They only did one arrest. This person was clearly not drunk. I'm not sure what's worse. A veteran field training officer having no problems with telling the guy to close his eyes, or a new officer that's fresh out of the academy, thus has very recent training telling him to close his eyes. Fortunately, there's a happy ending. The prosecutor dropped the charge. However, I'm not sure the township didn't bother to reimburse him for counsel fees, which never happens. The cost in getting the vehicle back or the time anguish from the event. Okay. Lessons on how to conduct field sobriety tests. And why you should never take one. Oh, wait. Oops. I forgot to, sorry. Forgot to turn it on. Here we go. The guy who said he's blind in the video, Blind Justice. Did he get arrested? Okay. Oh, here we go. Narrative. On June 7th, 2019. Holy crap, this is exactly 2 years ago to the day. What are the odds? At 11:44 p.m., members from the Washington Township Police Department and the Gloucester County Prosecutor's Office conducted a DWI checkpoint, State Highway 42 south in the area Shoppers Lane, and detectives from the prosecutor's office were contact officers and directed vehicles into the Plaza 42 parking lot in Turnersville, New Jersey for motor vehicle violations and operators suspected to be under the influence of alcohol or narcotics. While working in the staging area located with the Plaza 42 parking lot, Officer Pinelli directed a subject over to my location, flat parking lot, that was suspected to be driving under the influence. Okay, we have our narrative, our beginning. Let's watch what happens. Oh, Blind Justice on YouTube. Okay, very cool.
Alright. So
I did watch the ending Wrist Disabled Rider. It was quiet. Nothing happened.
first test.
Yes.
I want to have you. Matter of fact, stand up. Come over here. So I'm gonna have you.
This is exactly
Start
2
like
years
this.
ago.
1 foot from the other. One toe touch the other toe. You're gonna take 9 steps, like so.
There's
Heel to toe.
nothing.
No, we're gonna go that way.
You said it's stepping up.
Yeah, we're gonna take 9 steps. Alright. Okay, and at the 9th one, you're gonna take serious steps, pivots, until you turn around and do 9 back.
You're gonna take
So
pivots.
You're gonna to the right. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
To the right.
So stand like this. That's starting position. Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
Wait. Hold on. He never. First of all, the cop never demonstrated, which they must do. He did not give any proper instruction. He did not explain, hands by your sides. He didn't explain anything. He's just like, okay, and go. So already.
5, 6. Right.
Sorry, Chief, we want to do like right up in there, believe it or not, because that's level.
Okay.
We're having a hard time saying that this is a level.
Okay.
So we're going to bring him over here and let him do it again.
Okay.
We're going to do that. We're going to see this sidewalk area where the lights are shining. We're going to do it right there. It's well lit, it's level, and we want to make a problem.
Great start.
This officer's spot, this is okay? So we're going to step right up here. This is going to kind of be your area right here where you got a little path to walk on, all right?
Alright.
Left foot first, right foot first.
You want to do right, left foot from the right? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Notice how even the guy is just like looking at the other cop like, is this guy for real? Has he ever done this before?
Right over left.
Right on the left.
Right?
Okay.
Then just heel to toe.
1.
Hands to your side.
Oh, by the way, I forgot a few instructions. Oh yeah, there's that one. I'm saying hands to the sides. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, do that. Yep. Okay. Never showed him how to do the turn. Never showed him how to do the steps. Never gave him full instruction. Sorry. There was the text that we missed. I got distracted. While speaking with the subject, this is the investigation at the scene. While speaking with the subject that was brought to my attention, later identified as, we'll call him defendant, I could smell a strong scent of an alcoholic beverage coming from his breath. Defendant calmly stated that he had 2 beers while at the blah blah in Philadelphia. I asked defendant if I could conduct several field sobriety tests on him to determine if he was under the influence of alcohol or an unknown narcotic. Defendant advised he would attempt to complete the test. Walk and turn. I asked defendant to perform the standard heel-to-toe walk because defendant knows exactly what a standard heel-to-toe walk is. I once again instructed defendant on how to perform the test verbally and physically. He just lied in his report. I'm sorry, did I miss something? Did he just lie? It's on video. Defendant was able to perform the test without incident. Meh. Okay, I guess we'll give him that one. All right. Now, the one-leg stand. For the second test, I asked defendant to perform the standard one-leg stand. I instructed defendant on how to perform the test verbally and physically. I asked defendant if he had any injuries, in which he replied that he did not. He should have asked him about the injuries first before conducting any of those field sobriety tests. Sorry. After asking defendant to proceed in performing the test, he was unable to keep his balance after raising his left leg approximately 6 inches off the ground for no more than 4 seconds. Defendant asked to perform the test again, this time raising his right leg up approximately 6 inches off the ground for no more than 5 seconds. Defendant was swaying side to side while attempting to complete the test. All right, let's see. Let's see if he's right.
Yeah, I never did one. I never did one of these. I never did one of these.
It might be edited out.
The next test.
Yes.
Doesn't seem like it. Maybe. I don't know.
You don't lift either foot up. Do you have any problems with either of your legs?
Doesn't seem like it.
Okay. All right, so you lift your left foot up or right foot up 6 inches off the ground. Hands to your side, eyes closed. Kind of touch your head like that.
Eyes closed.
Count out loud. One, count one,
You're not supposed to close your eyes. You're supposed to be looking at your foot. Wrong instruction there again. Oh, there you go. Whoever did this. Look at elevated foot. Exactly. One more time.
Hands to your side, eyes closed.
Eyes closed.
That's so.
Count out loud. One down, count one down to 2, one down to 3.
Let's keep on going. Good man. 1,001. Hands to your side.
Hands to your side.
My knees are shaking.
And a little higher too. You want
Close your eyes. Float. Both feet have to float 6 inches off the ground. I need you to levitate. If you're not a yogi, I apologize. You're going to have to go train yoga for 6 months and then come back, and then we'll do the field sobriety test again, and then I'll arrest you. If you cannot levitate, we have a crane in the back. I'm going to need you to put this harness on, and we're going to levitate you, and then you have to put both feet 16,000 inches above the ground. If you can't levitate 6 inches, it's going to be 16,000 inches. So just so you know, pick one.
to really get it up, and pull your toes out. And you want to pull your toes out.
This is ridiculous.
And count out loud. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Hands to your side.
1,001, 1,002.
Look, if you don't remember the instructions, just use a card as a cop. That's easy.
1,004.
So you tell yourself, man. Okay. Try again.
My knees are shaking. You're outside in there.
You any problems with your legs or anything like that?
No, I'm nervous.
We get it.
So just give me a second to stay.
I got it.
This is so bad.
1,001. I got one more coming down for possible.
It's actually very difficult to do this sober with your eyes closed. Yeah, he's laughing at the cop, I think.
1,003, 1,004, 1,005.
I think sober, you won't last with your eyes closed. HGN has been okay. Bradford report was not clear as a response. I guess they just did the horizontal gaze and the nystagmus. Oh, supplemental report never provided. Okay.
All right. This is a stimulus. Okay.
This is a stimulus.
Close your eyes at all? No. All right. I want you to
I have a
follow
pen.
the tip of this pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Can we help you? Okay. Give me 1 minute. Just stand right there, sir. Okay. Okay. Don't move your head. Don't do this. Just your eyes. Okay.
No, he's not blind. Not this one. That was the previous video.
Good.
Yeah. Ready.
Hey, no, sir. Nice good one. Let's get you off of it.
Take every single criminal course, J1, that your law school has to offer. And best of luck to you. It's going to be a hazing experience.
167, 134. Can you copy two
Oh,
bags?
touch one.
We have over here
How much do you have to drink tonight?
2 beers at the plate.
Okay. Where's that?
We went to see Book of Mormon at Campus Center.
Okay, cool.
Academy Music. Pennsylvania, Papa Sierra, 28808.
So we're not here.
And that's Whiskey Mike. Let me know when you're ready for a second.
HGN in both eyes? A little HGN in both eyes. What the hell does that mean? You're looking for clues. You're looking for 6 clues total after you make sure the eyes track equally. And there's no obvious injury to the brain where naturally occurring nystagmus is there. I don't understand. What is it? It's got a little HGN. I don't know. Just like a little bit. Just like a smidgen. It's in the manual. It says if there's a smidgen of HGN or like a scintilla or like a little bump, like a jerk. There's like a little jerkiness, like a jerkish. If it's jerkish, he's DUI. Yeah, I think the manual says jerkish. So if it's jerkish, We got a little HGN. It's a little jerkish, and then we can we arrest him? No, did he pass the walk and turn? Oh, he passed the walk and turn. Damn. Okay, I still want to arrest him, but it was jerkish. It was a little jerkingness, a little HGN-ish, a little vertical-ish, a little horizontal-ish. Yeah, just a little bit, just enough for arrest. Hey, let me hold on. Let me radio. 502 radio. Go ahead, 502. Yeah, I got a little HGN-ish, jerking-ish on this guy. Can I arrest-ish? Yeah, is that I missed that. Yeah, you can arrest-ish. Okay. All right, he says we can arrest-ish on the HGN-ish. All right, let's go. Enough to bring him in. Oh, I called it. Oh, how did I know? After my initial observations and after performing the physical test, it was evident that defendant was under the influence of alcohol or some sort of undetermined narcotic. Okay. I placed him under arrest for DUI and proceeded to place him in the rear of my patrol vehicle. The back seat of my patrol vehicle was searched prior to placing the defendant in the vehicle. Defendant was searched incident to arrest with negative results for any illegal contraband or weapons. The vehicle of defendant was operating a 2018 Chevrolet bearing Pennsylvania registration such and such, was later towed from the parking lot of Plaza 42 by TMT Towing with a 12-hour hold. Washington Township Police report was completed and subsequently filed. Can I get a beef jerkish? That's funny. Yeah, undetermined narcotic. Where's the proof?
All right, here's the deal. It's all Belgium here, along Bradford. Unfortunately, we have pretty good probable cause to believe that you're under the...
Pretty good probable cause. Wait a second. Listen how he qualified that. That's only a lawyer can catch these things. I swear to God. We have pretty good probable cause. He just qualified his own probable cause. Probable cause should be unqualified. What the hell is pretty good probable cause? We either have probable cause or we don't have probable cause. We either have reasonable suspicion. I mean, this guy's like, he's just like, oh my God, I can make so many jokes out of this. Come on now. We have probable cause-ish. It's probable cause-esque. And probable cause-ish. Pseudo PC, pseudo probable cause. We have probable cause, probable cause maybe. Probable causality. Probable-ish, cause-ish. Probably cause. It's a probably cause. It's not probable cause. It's a, oh my God, this is brilliant. It's a probably cause. He has probably cause. I can't. This happened here, folks, live on stream. I am going to use this in one of my trials. Officer, so you didn't have probable cause. You had probably cause. Oh my God. We have pretty good probably cause. Reasonableness, suspicion-ish, kind of, sort of. Enough for me to make the arrest. I don't know if it's going to hold up in court, but I caused the probably for the trouble to you arrest and car and jail. Yes, jail. Car-ish. Can you get in the police car-ish? And we don't have any beef jerkish, I'm sorry. But you'll have to, the handcuff-ish. The one handcuff. Somebody said we should have the one handcuff just because it's not, we don't have probable cause. We have probably cause. So we're just going to use one handcuff. So if he runs, can we chase? No, we can only chase-ish. So I can walk after him. If he runs, I have to just walk after him. I can't like run after him because we only have probably cause. But if I had probable cause, then I can chase him down. Maybe shoot him in the back-ish. Shoot-ish in the back-ish. Probably cause. I'm dying. I am dying. Oh. Oh my God.
Influence. Okay. You really didn't do that.
Wait, I want to hear it again.
It's Officer Belgium here, Officer Bradford. Unfortunately, we have pretty good probable cause to.
Wait, he says, wait. Did you catch that? He said, we have pretty good probable clause. Listen to it again. This is on max volume. I can probably bring my microphone a little closer. Listen to, tell me he doesn't say probable clause.
Officer Belgium here, Officer Bradford. Unfortunately, we have pretty good probable cause to believe.
We have probable clause. I heard it. It's 100% there. We have good probable clause. We have good probable clause. We have good probable clause to arrest you. This guy is like, he's so sheepish about it. He doesn't know how to probable. We have a probable constitutional clause. We have a probably constitutional clause something to arrest you. So you're going to jail. Please don't hire a lawyer because we will lose this in court.
Okay.
Thank you.
You really didn't do that good with the field sobriety test. That's not an end all. I mean, the one like yesterday, it was really bad. Hey,
Wait. He's explaining to the guy why he's arresting him. Like, talk about. He's trying to justify it to this guy. Kidnapped a Sandy Claus, put him in the jail, right? Wow. I've never seen a cop try and like, listen, buddy, I gotta arrest you. Oh, come on, really? I know, yeah. You missed like a heel to toe there. What else did I notice? You were HGN-ish, you know. I gotta take you in. Come on. You know, maybe don't have to. Okay. You can go home. Go home. All right, thanks, boss. Well, sorry. Oh, wait. Was that a hiccup? Yeah, dude, I'm a little drunk. Oh. Yeah, you're going to jail. Ah, crap. Almost had it.
You really didn't do that good with the field.
Come on.
That's not an end all. I mean, the one like yesterday, it was really bad, man. Hey, we're very honest. We're very cool. No, I got it. I'm going to be honest with you. The walk and turn was okay. And you do have a little jiggle on the arms.
Why is the guy agreeing with him? If I was him, I'd be like, no, I thought I did absolutely perfect. Because now he's kind of like, he's admitting guilt. I don't like that. He's like, yeah, no, I get it. I didn't do it well. But he's like, I shouldn't be driving. Like, that's what his body language is telling me right now.
Yeah. So bottom line, we're going to bring you down. Okay, that's not an end all. It's just we have now probable cause to place you under arrest and bring you to the station. Okay. So
probably clause.
You read your rights. You have the option to read in the breathalyzer. Okay. Depending on that results, that will be the ultimate clause. So, all right.
I don't know. The guy seems fine to me. He just seems like an idiot.
All right, back please.
He walked fine. He's standing fine. I don't know. DRE is drug recognition expert, yeah. Should he have taken the test? Absolutely not. Now he's getting arrested-ish. It's an automatic fast forward. I'm not doing anything.
What are we calling it, a county? Or we calling it? You do your first time doing all that, so where you were before you didn't do anything.
This is your first time doing all that.
That was perfect. Okay. And,
that was perfect.
I have a good life for you. I'll try to hook up you at some point. I don't know where you're on next week. I'll be on.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm 73 too. I have a good life. Okay. So I used to do the pit part of like, what to write for a DUI. It's a little different. You're not getting operation. You're getting a guy walk down to you.
Yeah, you'll get arrested anyway if you refuse. So what's the point? Don't give him anything. You're going to jail anyway. Don't worry about it. Hey, Nate.
Walk down, blah, blah, blah. I saw him, I observed him, he identified himself as block. Okay. I asked him if we do obviously you're going to put in a well-lit paved area. And that's what we're going to document. It was a sidewalk with an evidence address. Unit 2, 3, and the front doors. And then.
I mean, that's a very winnable case so far. I mean, assuming the guy refused at the station or didn't get any type of test, which is rare, but it is possible. I mean, this is a very beatable case. The guy looks fantastic. Even his statement, I'm sure I could turn that around and be like, look, the guy was just really honest. He didn't want to. He's a very productive member of society. He's an honest, respects authority, respects the law. He just didn't want to argue. He knows the time to argue, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, is right here in the courtroom. He did not want to argue with them on the street because he knew he was going to lose. That's it right there. It's a win. 100%.
From whenever we got to the station. So.
Okay, so I radio in the county or to this
Fuel com.
Do not blowish when you're in the jailish, Willies are.
region? Okay.
Say Fuel com 192. I'll be
one
on
under.
his own mail.
Okay.
I'll tell them I'll be free out the test.
All right, yes,
So
sir.
just get him. It's no different than anything else. Just get him. Do you ever do like the 20-minute observation period?
Yeah.
So you're good with that.
Yep, you go down there and I start the.
Start all that, and I'll be down. I'm gonna wait for the tow to come, and then once the tow comes, I will come down and we'll get the box going. And
Okay.
And we'll take it from there.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
All right, brother.
Oh, he did blow. Wait, 0.05? He did say 2 beers. That checks out. The guy was being completely honest. What? Dude, that's 100% win. That is 110% win now. What? Hey, Alan from Scotland. I should partner up with an attorney named Huey. Then my firm would be Huey, Dewey, and Larry. That's cute. Once at the PAB, I'm guessing that's the jail place, I removed him from the rear of my patrol vehicle and again checked to ensure that it was free of contraband. I then escorted him inside, performed custodial search of him, secured him to the security bench. After he was placed on that bench, started a 20-minute observation period. During that period, he did not place anything in his mouth that would alter the integrity of the test. I read her. Our defendant has just switched sexes mid-arrest. What? Wait, what? I made sure he did not place anything in his mouth. That would alter the integrity of the test. I read her the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission standard statement for operators of motor vehicle. I read her? Gender fluid, I suppose. But no. Officer drunkish. I agree, Jay Steele. No, honey, no. Just no. I read her. You know what I would say to that? Officer, did you copy and paste that from a previous report that someone else has written or that you have written? What else did you copy and paste? You just accidentally forgot to change the her to a him, didn't you? That's what you did. Yeah, you got caught. Upon completion of the first 11 paragraphs and asking him, oh, it's a him again. Upon completion, if he would submit to samples of his breath, and he replied yes. Before the Alka-Test was administered, both Officer Bradford and I placed our radios and electronic devices into the adjacent computer room. I call BS. Ooh, coddish. Radios, BWC, MVR microphone, and cell phone, so that there's no RFI interference, radio frequency interference. I call BS. I mean, this guy may do it like once or twice, but then he'll stop and he'll just take that out of the report because he'll be like, oh, my buddies don't write it, so I'm going to stop writing it. Officer Bradford administered the Alka-Test. During the Alka-Test, he was given clear, concise instruction, additional tips on how to perform the Alka-Test properly. He was given tips. Here's a tip for you, buddy. Don't blow. He then provided me 3 sufficient breath samples. Oh, this is a 3-test jurisdiction. New Jersey. That's one thing I respect about New Jersey. They take 3. That's impressive. And then I think they either... So some jurisdictions take the average, some take the lowest number. At the conclusion of the Alka-Test, it produced an alcohol influence report, AIR, which reported breath test result of 0.05. Boom, see attached alcohol report. He was then served with his motor vehicle summonses and released from custody to his wife, defendant's wife, who signed the potential liability form, see attached form. Wow. That's... and he passed. Wow. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, folks. We're at the end of another episode. This was, what, number 9, I think? Number 9. We'll have episode 10. Oh, yeah, I keep forgetting. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, folks. Oh, my God. 140 people watching. We have 66 likes. Get out of here. Get out of here. What is wrong with you people? That is so uncool. Dislike you. All right, I really have to get going. Tracy has court, and I have to vacate the premises. I will be back tomorrow. I appreciate everyone who has come and watched and partook, and I will definitely be back. And come on, let's get to 100. Can we get to 100 before I go? 99, 99. One more, just one more like. That's all I need. Make it 100, and I'm out of here. Come on, come on. 99. Really? There we go. 104. Success. All right, folks. Thanks again for joining me. Have a lovely, lovely week, and I'll probably be back tomorrow. I have a new jury trial on Wednesday, and I have another one Friday. Both should go, as far as I know. So we shall see. All right, folks. Peace out. Have a good day. Don't get in trouble, but if you do, call me. Peace.